In the last video, when we imported our Figma file, you probably noticed this broken feed page. It looks completely different on Figma. We have the feed, we have a back button, a user profile, a pause button, and a heart. So those are obviously not on here. So what we have to do is come over here to the visual elements section under the design tab, and we're going to come back down to icon, and we're just going to drag one over. Let's go get the measurement of that, and let's do the user profile. It's like 35 or 40 by 40. Okay, so this helps us clean it up too. Let's say user, and we have the user circle like we had, and we're going to give this, instead of 30-30, let's do 40-40. Right now I can put that up here and remove the old one just by deleting it. Okay, so there we have the actual FontAwesome icon. I don't really think we need the ellipse yet. We might do something else there later. And for the heart, we're definitely going to need a heart. So what we're going to do is clean that up and delete everything in there, grab another icon, and we're going to put it right on top there. We're going to say heart, and we're going to get the open heart. Okay, something like that. And then well, let's get that tucked in just a wee bit. All right, cool. So wanted some extra space around that. The next piece is, let's go ahead and delete that piece as well. We're just getting rid of all these extra layers. This is kind of cool. We can keep that for now, and that's cool. So let's get our pause button in there, and we're going to say pause. Right now that color is blue by default, and we're going to make that color white. So we want to add a style called white icon and create, and we want to make it white. And let's go back to design, and we can go down here and select white icon, and now it's white. All right, let's talk about a design system. Okay, so now we have our pause play button in there. Let's come back over here. Let's see what size it was once upon a time. We have to right click, and we have to go back to the main component, and we have to select this piece. It's like 21, 28, so it's smaller. So let's do that. Let's, instead of 30-30, let's do 20-20, and let's select it. We're gonna go ahead and arrange it center like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and preview it. Okay, and we have the chevron, it's broken, so let's go fix that one next. Bye-bye chevron. Let's get our icons. In here, we're gonna say chevron, and I'm gonna do the left. You're probably wondering, how do I know all these FontAwesome icons? Well, there's a cheat sheet at fontawesome.io/cheat sheet. Link down in the description below. We're going to align those on the vertical centers. Vertical. Okay, bingo. Nice. All right, so there we've cleaned up our file. We have the file playing, and we have the heart to like it, just like we saw here, and we have the user profile and the back button. So now let me see if I refresh that. Yeah, I can just refresh it, and it's cleaned it up. So we're well on our way to cleaning up the bubble.io file now.